Good morning. We are out for the walk. Windy, 30 degrees. Oh, that's going to keep me moving, ain't it? We're going to get all 5 laps done today. Ground's dried up. It rained all night. So there are some spots that are a little icy, so I got to be careful. All right, man, let's go. And we're off. Lap 1. The sun is peeking up. Haven't seen that in a couple days. Now yesterday the shot was a little choppy when you look down at the ground from the settings I had, so I've done some adjusting on that. I've done a lot of research, man, so hopefully today we get a much clearer picture. But I do like the cinematic look a whole lot better. If you just turn on a GoPro and you use the settings that are there, it's got the GoPro, it just looks fake, man. And I can tell you from watching the footage, the colors on the cinematic are just what I see. So it's very realistic. So hopefully today we'll get this tweaked in. And it's this is a weird kind of time of day because of the light. The sunrise and sunset times are weird. They're actually the best time to film because of the light. So I think I've got this dialed in for that. We shall see. I did watch it on my TV, which looked a whole lot better. Got the old gloves on today. It's a little chilly. Yeah, I made chili yesterday. If you didn't see that, that's on my other channel. Yeah, chili and chili. Just call me Chili Juan Kenobi. Let's do a cinematic shot. You like that music I'm providing? Alright, enough of that. Quit goofing off, Mike. Let's walk. Waldo, I'm not going to listen to you bark. You've already had your milk bone. So, a few weeks ago I went and bought several pairs of new sweatpants and sweatshirts. And the sweatpants, most of them I got the wrong size. They fit fine until I washed them. I went to put a pair of them on this morning. I forgot to take the new route. And it was like what you women wear, them yogurt pants. And I ain't wearing no yogurt pants, man. So those I'll have to give to somebody smaller than me, because I ain't wearing them no more. I might wear them around in the house. Ain't nothing wrong with a man wearing some yogurt pants in the house. Yeah, I ain't wearing no yogurt pants out here. Let's check the well house. Hey, man. Oh yeah, it's on. The light is on. It gets to a certain point, I just leave that thing on. But it does have a remote. I can turn it on and off. And they do make a plug that'll come on at a certain temperature, and then it goes off at like 50 degrees. I just don't trust them, man. So I prefer to manually do it, because then if I forget, it's on me. Oh yeah, we're heading into the wind. A little windy. Yeah, the grass has really greened up. Heck, I could even mow right now. I ain't going to though. I always leave it long going into winter. It is nippy. I'm ready to head back into that sun. I do believe this is going to be a colder than usual winter, just from the way it's already beginning. And tonight I'm going to put the heater, or today, I'm going to put the new heater in the dog apartment. They're not going to know what to think having a heated place. Dig a quarter out. Then I'm going to shut my app. We're going to do the rest of these 4 laps. That's cool. Coming into the trees. Yep. Alright guys, let's play some music. We are closing in on lap 5. You see my hand wave in front of the camera? That's just my cue when I'm doing editing to tell me when I started talking. Makes it easier. Woo! I love walking in 30 degrees. Yeah, not too cold, but cold enough you work to warm up. All right, let me get my last quarter out. Woo! Yeah. Yesterday we only did 2 laps. I got a very late start. It was raining pretty heavy in the morning. Alright. Cha-ching. Alright. I would like to find me a treadmill just to have inside for rainy days when it's really nasty out. That would be nice to have. And I know when I worked in the pawn business, we wouldn't touch them things because you can't sell them. You can't give them away. But you see them online for sale, they want a fortune for them. They're not going to get it. But if I could find one cheap enough, doesn't have to be fancy. Just I need it, tell me how many miles I went, whatever. That'd be nice to have. Good luck finding one around here. Probably have to go to Fort Smith. But anyway, I would like to do probably 10 videos, and I'd have to do these probably about noon when the sun's high in the air, so I wouldn't have shadows. But I'd like to do 10 virtual what do you call them, treadmill videos, where people could put the video on a treadmill and walk with me. Probably do them 45 minutes long. Probably do about 10 of them. We'd probably just make them a video on here, and I'd make a separate playlist. So if that's something y'all be interested in me doing, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. Be a few weeks down the road, because walking 45 minutes is going to be probably 7 laps, or not. I'd probably do 5, but I'd do it in real time, not sped up, and that's going to be a long edit there. But I want to make them interesting, so let me know if that's something you guys be interested in. And I gotta get these dogs out. They're barking at me. They've already had their breakfast and milk bones. All right, guys, thanks for coming along. Happy trails.